And everybody, stay up, please. It's the final, so we need all the energy we got. And the first battle is Evet versus Ghetto. Make some noise for them. Now we got 2 rounds. 1 minute is 1 round. So, let's start with the locking finals. Are you ready? Evet versus Ghetto, let's go!
Emile.
Let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go! Ghetto!
Riding high when you were king. Played it hard and fast, you had everything. Walked away, one day. But easy coming, easy going, it could end. I'm begging you, won't you give me a hand out?
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
I'm begging you, put your loving hand out. An empty shell used to be. Shut my life over me. Broken heart without hope. Won't even stand a little chance to win my heart.
Switch it up, Leo, switch it up!
Your hand out, baby.
Evet, let's go! Locking finals! Evet, your turn!
To understand that you tried so hard to be a man, the kind of man I want in the end. But with that pain I began. I'm begging you, put your loving hand out.
Oh yeah! Alright, switch it up, y'all! Second round! Second round! I love Ghetto! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go to the finals, y'all!